We explore what it means to live in a world where work, wealth, and wellness flow from who we are, not what we're told to be. Web3 isn't just technology, it's a return to truth, a remembering that our connections are capital, that creativity is currency, and that every act of kindness is data the universe never forgets. So take a breath, feel your power, and let's tune together because the future isn't waiting, it's already human. Bitcoin is holding steady above $90,400 today, but the real story isn't price movement. It's the infrastructure being built underneath the crypto economy. Five major players just received conditional approval from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency to become federally chartered national trust banks. Ripple, Circle, BitGo, Fidelity Digital Assets, and Paxos are now entering the regulated banking system, bringing dollar-pegged stablecoins under direct federal oversight for the first time. This matters because it signals the end of debanking practices that have locked crypto businesses out of traditional finance for years. When Brad Garlinghouse from Ripple called it huge news, he wasn't exaggerating. This is about legitimacy, access, and building the rails for a new economy where blockchain infrastructure can actually serve everyday people. And speaking of serving people, the SEC just gave an implicit nod to tokenized stocks. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation received a no-action letter authorizing a 3-year tokenization service on approved blockchains. That means stocks, bonds, and U.S. Treasuries from the Russell 1000 index can soon be traded as digital tokens, faster settlement, lower costs, more accessibility. YouTube also made waves by allowing U.S. content creators to receive earnings in PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin. This isn't just about crypto adoption, it's about creators controlling their money, avoiding fees, and settling payments near instantly. When 20 million users on Phantom Wallet can now trade prediction markets via Kalshi, and when ADNOC fuel stations across the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt accept stablecoins for gas, we're watching digital currency move from speculation to utility. But while blockchain infrastructure advances, traditional systems are fracturing. The Senate just rejected proposals to extend Enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies, which means 24 million Americans face premium increases averaging 114% starting January 1st. FEMA's future remains uncertain after a scheduled vote on recommendations was abruptly canceled, leaving state and local emergency managers in limbo. Federal environmental health protections are rolling back while cities and counties scramble to protect residents independently. Here's the pattern. Centralized systems are failing to meet human needs at scale, and that creates space, necessity really, for communities to build alternatives. You can start building human-powered microeconomies in your own community right now. Join us in driving currency for humankind by visiting us at humn.world. The future of blockchain isn't just about faster transactions or more complex smart contracts. It's about creating systems that give people more control over their data, finances, and digital lives. When we prioritize human needs over technical novelty, blockchain becomes a tool for building the kind of world we actually want to live in, one where technology serves humanity, not the other way around.